Crystal Lake welcomes author Jay Bechtel. Jay's book Quimmering Springs will be released in 2026. Jay Bechtel writes horror and speculative fiction. His short stories can be found in multiple places, including Uncharted, the No Sleep podcast, and Crystal Lake. His debut novel, The Great American Coward, is available from Golden Storyline Books. He lives, writes, plays hockey, and makes exceptional Mexican food in Homer, Alaska. He's absolutely serious about the Mexican food. Jay's book, Quimmering Springs, will be released in 2026. In the small town in the Sierra Nevada mountains with the funny name, people have been leaving, disappearing, and only Jack Kincaid remains. As the town's self-proclaimed historian and protector, he's committed to the springs by forces he can't explain and doesn't fully understand. He plans to weather one last winter alone. But as the snow descends, he realizes the town may not be deserted after all. Visit Jake at his website or on Twitter, links in the description.